Hello all, welcome to chapter 2 from the book of Deuteronomy. This chapter is again the continuation of Moses' remembrance from the time they had left the land of Egypt. In the beginning of this chapter, we see Moses reminds of the days when the Israelites had to journey through Edom, the territory of Esau's descendants. God gave specific instructions not to provoke them to war, and in case of war, God would not side the Israelites. The Horites initially ruled the land of Edom. However, Esau's descendants dispossessed them. Similarly, Moses remembers his journey through the land of Moab, which was the territory given to Lot's descendants. God gave specific instructions not to provoke them to war. The land of Moab was initially ruled by Emim, also called as Rephaim, who were giants, and the Moabites defeated and dispossessed them. We then see Moses reminds by the time the Israelites left Kadesh Barnea in the 30th year, the entire generation of disbelievers among the Israelites were removed. Moses then remembers his journey through the land of Ammonites, which was the territory given to Lot's descendants. God gave specific instructions not to provoke them to war. The land of Ammon was initially ruled by Zamzummim, who were giants again, and the Ammonites defeated and dispossessed them. We then see Moses reminds the time when the king of Ammon was asked for permission to pass through his land. However, the request was rejected. God hardened the heart of King Sihon, and the Amorites attacked the Israelites. The Israelites then defeated them and killed all the men, women, and little ones and took over their cities. Here we see a phrase that has been previously used in case of Pharaoh from Egypt. The king of Sihon and Pharaoh's heart were hardened. The judgment that came upon King Sihon and Pharaoh was not because their hearts were hardened. It was because of the wicked acts that had been previously done by them before their hearts were hardened. Coming back to this chapter, towards the end of this chapter, we see God instructs and gives details of certain regions of Ammon that were forbidden from being attacked. This is how the chapter ends. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Until next time, may God bless us all. Bye bye.